Tonight, a major update in the trial of former Grand Rapids police officer Christopher Schurr. The judge ordered jurors to once again return to deliberations after they were unable to come to a unanimous verdict this afternoon. And moments ago, the jury was sent home for the day, and they'll be back tomorrow morning. Good evening. I'm Jessica Hardhorn. This comes as the judge also denies yet another request from the defense for a mistrial. Schurr is accused of second-degree murder in the death of Patrick Lyoya after a traffic stop that turned physical in 2022. Tonight, we have live team coverage in Grand Rapids. Princess Jeanne Steverson is speaking with protesters, but we start with News Channel 3's Colin Roos inside the Kent County Courthouse. Colin, we know the verdict can swing more than a few ways, and now people will have to wait yet another day for a potential verdict.
They will, Jess, and as you just said, jurors have gone home for the day without reaching that guilty or not guilty verdict, which means this trial is still not over. Judge Christina Mims asked them to continue their deliberations tomorrow morning. After a day with no word on the outcome of the case, attorneys on both sides filed into the courtroom around 3 p.m. to hear from jurors. They've met since Monday afternoon, but told the court they were still deadlocked.
I did get a note from the jury saying that they are unable to reach a verdict.
They're considering whether or not Schurr is guilty of second-degree murder or manslaughter. The more serious murder charge would mean Schurr could face life in prison but would still have the chance for parole. A manslaughter conviction would mean he could face 15 years of prison time. The defense also renewed their motion for a mistrial, which they have done twice before.
The court, as they've said, they're deadlocked, should declare mistrial. Thank you.
But Judge Mims denied that motion, saying they hadn't deliberated for a long enough period of time. Instead, she read the deadlock instructions to the jury, reminding them that their verdict must reflect each of their opinions. She told them it was their duty to find agreement, as long as they don't go against their own judgment.
None of you should give up your honest beliefs about the weight or effect of the evidence only because of what your fellow jurors think or only for the sake of reaching agreement.
Now, it's also possible that Schurr will be found not guilty on either the murder or the manslaughter charge. And if jurors are unable to come to a unanimous verdict, the judge will declare a mistrial. Now, you can stay up to date on these down-to-the-minute updates on our website and our social media. In Grand Rapids, Colin Roos, News Channel 3.